श्रुतिस्मृतिपुराणानाम् आलयं करुणालयं नमामि भगवत्पादशङ्करं लोकशङ्करं शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। Till now we have gone through the three mantras in the sixth prashna. Sukesha Bharadwaja, he came to his guru Pippalada and he asked about the Shodashakala Purusha. To his question, Pippalada started answering, Tasmai sahovacha ihaiva antasharire somya sapurusho yasminneta shodashakala prabhavanti iti. That the Shodashakala Purusha is very much available in this body itself. And sa ikshan chakre kasminnaha utkrante utkranto bhavishyami kasminva pratisthite pratishthasyami. The Purusha who is residing in the body, he started thinking, in whose departure shall I be departing? In whose resting firm verily shall I be resting firm? This was the thought of that Purusha in the body. After thinking such, he started creating the world. That means before starting any action, it is common. Each and every one, before starting the action, he thinks about it, what to do and how to do. In the same manner, before creation of this world, the Creator thought himself, the Creator or Jagat Srishtikarta, he thought himself, and after having such a kind of sankalpa or thinking, he started creating the world. Till this portion, it was explained in the previous class. After that, Sapranamasrajata pranat shraddham kham vayuhu jyotihi apaha prithvi indriyam manaha annam annadviryam tapaha mantraha karmalokaha lokeshu cha namacha. Here Shankara Bhagavatpada explains Ishwareneva sarvadhikari pranah purushena srijyate. After thinking about the world which is to be created, he started creating, and he started Sapranam-asrujata. He created prana, sarvadhikari pranaha purushena srujyate. Katham sa purushaha ukta prakarena ikshitva pranam hiranyagarbhakyam sarva prani karanadharam antaratmanam asrujata srishtavan. In the beginning itself, he created prana. Here prana means hiranyagarbha, because savai shariri purushaha, savai shariri prathamaha savai purusha uchyate adikarta sabhutanam brahmagre samavartata. That is the definition given about Hiranyagarbha. He was the first person created by Paramatman. Here in the name of prana, this Hiranyagarbhakyam Sarva Prani Karanadharam. He is the one main who controls all the sense organs of each and every beings. Sarva Karanadharam, Antaratmanam. He is the Antaratman. That means Hiranyagarbha who resides in our each and every being's body as Antaryamin. He controls the whole beings. First he was created by Paramatman, Asrijata Srishtavan. And then Atah Pranat Shraddham Sarva Praninam Shubhakarma Pravritti Hetu Bhutam. What do you mean by Shraddha? Shraddha Nama Astikya Buddhi. The definition given by Bhagavat Pada here is Shubhakarma Pravritti Hetu Bhutam Shraddham. Whatever the noble activities should be performed, that is because of this Shraddha. Whichever is the cause for noble activities, that is called as Shraddha. Sarva Praninam Shubhakarma Pravritti Hetu Bhutam Shraddham Asrijata. And then Tatah Karma Palopabhoga Sadhanadhishthanani Karanabhutani Mahabhutani Asrujata. Tatah, and then Karma Phala Upabhoga Sadhana Adhishthanani. Whatever the effect of karma, once the karma is performed, it will give its effect automatically. Karma Phalam Tadupabhoga Sadhanam. Karma Phalopabhoga Sadhanam. Karma Phalam, what do you mean by Karma Phala? Whether the karma, if it is a noble karma, then he will gain some punya. If it is not a noble one or pratishiddha karma, and he will collect some papa. So, in that way, if he gains some punya, the effect of punya is sukha, the effect of papa is dukkha. Sukham or dukkham, whatever may be, it should be experienced through the body only. Such a kind of body is to be created. If it is to be created, for that raw material is very much necessary. That's why Karma Phalopabhoga Sadhana Adhishthanani. Karma Phalopabhogaya Deha Apekshate Indriyani Apekshante Tasya Sarvasyapi Adhishthanan Nama Moolam. That is the raw material. That is called as Karana Bhutani Mahabhutani. The five fundamental elements which are created by after Shraddha, these five fundamental elements are created. Mahabhutani Asrujanta. What are they? Mahabhutani. Akasha, Vayu, Tejaha, Apaha, Prithivi. These are all the Pancha Mahabhutas. That will be explained here. Kham, Vayuhu, Jyotihi, Apaha, Prithivi. These are all the five fundamental elements. Kham means Akasha. That is space. Kham, Vayuhu, wind. And then Jyotihi, light. Apaha, water. Prithivi, earth. These are all the five fundamental elements are created. Tadeva Uchyate Mahabhutani Asrujata Kham Shabda Gunam. Kham Nama Akasham. Akasha Shabda Gunaha. Shabdaha, the sound, is the special attribute of space. And then Sparishena Vayum Swena Sparishena Karana Gunena Vicha Vishishtam Dvigunam. When he created this space, space is having only the sound as its special attribute. it does not have other than any attribute other than sound. Any other attributes are not available in space. It is having only one and only, that is sound. When he started creating this Vayu, along with this sound, Vayu, that means wind, it has its own special attribute that is called as sparsha, the touching feeling. That sparsha along with the sound both are available in Vayu, because sound is previously created. That attribute will follow in the next creation also. It is in the same way, whatever the next creation, it is having its own special attribute along with the previous attribute also. So Vayu is having sparsha and shabda. In the same manner, tatha jyotihi svena rupena. Jyotihi means light. It is having its own special attribute, that is rupa, along with the previous two attributes of Vayu and Akasha, that is sound and sparsha, shabda and sparsha. And then Purvabhyancha Vishishtam Trigunam Shabda Sparshabhyam. Jyotihi, it is having three attributes. And then Apaha Rasena Gunena Asadharanena Purva Guna Anupraveshena Cha Chaturgunaha. Apaha, the water, which is having its special attribute, that is rasa, along with other three attributes. These are all sound, shabda, sparsha and rupa, along with its own rasa. So it is having chatvaraha gunaha. There are four attributes available in rasa. And then tatha gandha gunena purva guna anupraveshena cha pancha guna prithvi. Prithvi, that means earth. It is having five attributes along with its own special attribute, that is Gandha, and along with other previous attributes which are available in the previous bhutas, that is sound and sparsha and rupa and rasa, along with Gandha. So Panchaguna Prithvi, Prithivyam Panchagunaha upalabhyante. We can perceive five attributes are available in Prithvi. This is the gradual development, because once a creation is made, it will develop. How it develops? Here, Akasha or space having only Shabda Guna, whereas Prithvi, the last bhuta which is created, it is having five gunas. So automatically each and every bhuta, while created, it is having previous guna along with its special guna. So it is automatically developed. That is Thuli Bhavanam. So once all the five fundamental elements, that means for further development of the world, that means Bhautika Prapancha. Bhautika Prapanchasya Srishtihi Bhuta Srishtiyadhina. That's why five fundamental elements are created. And then Tatha Taireva Bhutaihi Arabdham Indriyam. Bhutaihi Arabdham, that means Bhautikam. Whatever is created through these raw material like bhuta, that will be called as Bhautika. Indriyani Bhautikani. Indriyani Dvidha. The sense organs are in two kinds, that is sense organs and Jnanendriya and Karmendriya. These Karmendriyas and Jnanendriyas are created through five fundamental elements. That's why these are all called as Bhautikani. Bhutaihi Arabdham Indriyam Diprakaram. buddhyarthancha karmarthancha dasha sankhyam. Totally 10 organs, sense organs, karmendriya and jnanendriya. These are all called as 10 organs, sense organs. Tadanantaram tasya cha antastham samshaya sankalpa lakshanam manaha. Tasya ishwaram, tasya cha ishwaram antastham, tasya ishwaram. All the 10 sense organs are controlled by mind. That is Ishwara. Manaha is the Ishwara of all other Indriyas. Ishwara means one who controls. Through mind only all the sense organs will be controlled. That's why Samshaya Sankalpa Lakshanam Manaha. What do you mean by that Manaha? What is the Lakshanam of Manaha? It is having the Samshaya Vikalpa Lakshanam. Samshayatmika Antakarana Vritti Manashabdena Abhidhiyate. In the Paribhasha itself, Manobuddhir Ahankaras Chittang Karanamantaram Samshayo Nishchayo Garva Smaranam Vishaya Imed. That is one and only Antakarana is there. It is called as Antakarana, inner instrument. But it will become fourfold. How is that? It is called as Mano Buddhir Ahankaras Chitram. Ekameva Antakaranam Mana Ityakhyayate, Buddhir Ityakhyayate, Ahankara Ityakhyayate, Chittam Ityakhyayate. Why? What is the difference between these four along with each other? Because of their activity, they are called in certain terms. When the Antakarana perform, or it will transform itself into the Sankalpa or Vikalpa or Samshaya Rupa, then it is the same Antakarana is called as mind or Manas. When it transforms itself into Nishchayatmaka Jnana, then it is called as Buddhi. When it is transformed into Garva, then it is called as Ahankara. When it is transformed into Smarana Swarupa, then it is called as Chitta. So these are all the four folds of Antakarana. Tasya ja Ishwaram antastham samshaya sankalpalakshanam manaha. Evam praninam karyam karanancha srishtva. Evam praninam. All the beings are, before creating the beings, karyam karanam. Karyam nama deha. Praninam deha. Tadanantaram karanani nama indriyani. Deha indriyadikam sasarja. Kimartham? Karma phala bhogartham. Karmanaha phalam yat sukham va dukkham va. Papasya va punyasya va phalarupena sukham dukkham yad bhavati. Tasya bhogartham bhogayatanam shariram apekshate. Sharirancha sendriyam shariram. Ataha indriyanam sharirasya cha srishtin chakara. Karyam karanancha srishtva. Tat sthityartham. After creating this body and sense organs, it should be sustained for a certain period. For that matter, he created Vrihiyavadi Lakshanam Annam Sasarja. To sustain the body for a particular period of time, it requires food. That's why Paramatma created Annam. What kind of Annam? Annam means, in the common knowledge, Annam is called as this whichever is produced through this rice. But here it is not the Annam. Annam means whatever is being eaten by each and every beings, that is called as Annam. That's why here Bhashyakara explains Vrihi Yavadi Lakshanam. Here in southern part of our India, we eat rice at a maximum level. Whereas in the northern part of India, they eat the wheat flour to make roti, etc. They use that kind of food. We use this kind of food. There may be some kind of difference in the form of food, but these are all the foods are called as annam. Vrihi avadi lakshanam. Tatascha annat adyamanat viryam balam samarthyam sarvakarma pravritti sadhanam. Once we eat the food, then only we will get strength. Physical strength. Physical strength is required for what? To perform some kind of karma, yajna, etc. Sarva karma pravritti sadhanam. If you want to start any kind of rituals, you must have some kind of samarthya or power. Body should be in such a position, it should be able to perform the rituals. Such kind of balam, samarthyam, sarvakarma pravritti sadhanam tadapi sasarja tadviryavatanja praninam tapaha vishuddhi sadhanam sankiryamananam tadanantaram tapaha. And he created this tapaha. What do you mean by tapaha? Tadviryavatam. Once you get the strength, bodily, body strength, physical strength, and as well as mental strength, both are required to perform karma. And then that kind of karma, what kind of karma? Tapaha, vishuddhi sadhanam. Shuddhi sadhanam eva tapaha. Shuddhi sadhanam kim bhavati tarapi sasarja. Shuddhi sadhanam means all kind of purifying activities, mentally and physically, both kind of purifying sadhana, that is called as tapaha. Vishuddhi sadhanam sankiryamananam tadanantaram mantraha tapo vishuddhantarbahikaranebhyaha karma sadhana bhutaha. Mantraha nama. Mantraha api. All the mantras are also created by this Purusha. Tapo vishuddha antarbahikaranebhyaha. Once if he performs austerity, that means tapaha, penance, such kind of taponusthana dwara bahya shuddhihi antashuddhihi tadwara tapo vishuddha antah bahikaranebhya antakarana bahikarana dwara karma sadhana bhutaha mantraha. To perform this yajna, etc. rituals, mantras are very much required. So those mantras, Rugyajusama Tharvangirasaha, Rugyajusama Tharvarupena, Chatvaraha Bhinnaha ye mantraha bhavanti Veda te srishtaha. Tataha. And then once these mantras are created, mantra sadhana mantraha sadhanani yasmin karmani tadrisham karma api srishtam. What kind of karma? Agnihotradi lakshanam karma api tato mantra tapaha mantraha tadanantaram karma agnihotradi lakshanam karma api tenaiva srishtam. Karmanam srishtirnama ka. Karmanam srishtirnama. What is the name of the karma and how to perform that kind of karma, and who is eligible to perform that karma, and what are the dravyas used in that karma, and what is the effect of that yajnanusthana, and in which place, in which time it is to be performed. Such kind of niyamas, the rules and regulations about the performance of karma. These are all created by that Paramatma. Karma Agnihotradi Lakshanam. Tato Lokaha Karmanam Phalam. Once the karmas are explained, after performing the karma, what kind of effect is going to have? Such kind of loka, that means karma phala. What is the effect of that karma? What kind of karma phala or what kind of loka he will attain after performing such kind of karma? For example, Jyotishtoma. Once he performs Jyotishtoma, Jyotishtomena Swarga Kamo Yajeta. That Swarga, what kind of Swarga? Swarga also is created. Tato lokaha karmanam phalam. Teshu cha srishtanam praninam namacha. Once these are all created by him, and then whatever is created, it is called by which word? A particular object is, once it is created, then it should be named. This is this, this is pot, this is book, etc. That is called as nama. So, naming the object is called as nama. Praninan namacha, devadattaha, yajnadatta ityadi. Whatever the nama is, whatever the object is created by the creator, it should have its own nama. So, nama is also important, nama is also created. एवं एताः कलाः प्राणिनाम् अविद्यादि दोष बीजापेक्षया सृष्टाः. एताः षोडश विधिरूपेण कलाः याः वर्तन्ते तादृश प्राणिनाम् अविद्यादि दोष बीजापेक्षया. Why the creation? What is the need of creation? Why he creates the world? Why he creates a diversified world? Why it is not in a uniform one? Because automatically he will not create. He requires some kind of nimitta. What is that nimitta? That is avidyadi. Praninam avidyadi dosha bijapekshaya. Avidyadi dosha rupa bijameva karanam. Avidyadi doshena karma anutishtati. Karma dvara phalam prapnoti. Praninam karmanusarena srijyamanam prapanchasya srishtyartham ishvaraha srashtavya praninam purvarjita karma anulakshya srijati. Without any reason, he will not create such a diversified form of world. It requires some kind of nimitta. What is that nimitta? That is the nimitta of avidyadi dosha of all the beings. Srishtaha taimirika drishti srishta iva dichandra mashaka makshikadya. Taimirika drishti srishta iva. One who is having some kind of lacuna in his perception. If he perceives the moon in the night, in the sky, then he may see there may be 2 moons or 3 moons, etc. Because of the dosha in his eye, he sees many moons, though there is only 1 moon, but he perceives many moon. Taimirika drishta iva drishti srishta iva dishandra mashaka makshikadyaah. Dvichandradikam. Vastutah eka eva chandraha vartate dvidha bhasate doshavashat. Evam ayam prapanchavas sarvopi anekadha bhasate kutah jivagata avidyavashat. Swapna driksrishta ivacha. One who perceives the objects in the dream status, one who dreams in the dream status, he may perceive so many objects. What are those objects? Where are they? He is sleeping on a bed in a room, but he sees while going or while flying in a flight, to Delhi or America, etc. But where is the place for those planes, aircraft or bus, etc., rail, etc., in that room or in his body? There is no place, sufficient place is available. Or in spite of that, he sees everything in the dream status. So what are they? They are only nothing but the effect of his avidya. Swapna driksrishta ivacha sarva padarthaha punaha tasminneva purushe praliyante. Once they are created by jiva in the dream world, what will happen? After a particular period of time, they will disappear in him only. They are perceived in him only. After a few minutes, they will disappear in him only. Where they are created, there only they will disappear. It shows what? The creator, one who creates the world which was created by the creator, it will disappear in creator only. That is the agama apaya. Arthat utpatti layah. Utpatti laya abhidhana dwara jagatah nimitta karanamapi sa eva purushah upadana karanamapi sa eva purushah iti abhinna nimittopadanattam tasyeva purushasya srishti kartuhu ityuchyate. Praliyante hitva namarupadi vibhagam. Namarupadi vibhagam hitva saha praliyate. Namarupadi vibhagasya. Because in the world there are so many objects are available. Countless objects are available in the world. What are they? What are the words are used to denote them? For example, this is a pot, this is a flower, this is a fruit, this is a house, this is a vehicle. Such kind of words are being used to notify each and every object. So each and every object has its own word, that is called as nama, and rupa means the form of the object, that is called as rupa. These are all available once it is created. After creation only nama and rupa, name and form will be available. If it is disappeared, once it is disappeared, that means jagataha layaha yada jayate yasma srishtir jata tasminneva liyate. What do you mean by laya? Laya means he ceases, whatever the object was created, it ceases to exist in that form, in that name. After that disappearance, it will not available in that form previously which was perceived. In that form it is not available, and that kind of word also cannot be used for to denote that object. That's why name and form will cease to exist after the laya. Tadeva uchyate sarva padarthaha punaha tasminneva purushe praliyante hitva namarupadi vibhagam.